Hi everybody, this is Jeysen speaking, and today I'm gonna talk to you guys about this is how to make money in the stock market video. All right. My name is Jeysen Plantin. All right. Here is my Facebook account where you can find me, follow me, add me. All right, Jeysen Plantin. I'm a real person. All right. The focus today about this YouTube video is how to make money online with the stock market. All right, and basically I'm gonna show you guys one of my recent trades or stock picks. All right, so for you to understand how just about anybody can profit from the stock market. Now let's go over a conversation I had with my cousin mid-July. All right, I told him keep an eye on Shopify stocks. All right, it's currently at $32.32 and is showing good upward potential, 10% or more. All right, I told him that on July 2016 at 10:25 p.m. and it was July 16 of 2016. Now this is a screenshot, right, over on Google of Shopify price. So the screenshot was taken July 15 at 7 p.m. All right. This is the current price, July 28th. It's at $34.27. All right. So back then, on July 15, it was at $32.32. All right. And this is a comment. Shop has the potential to reach $40 to $41. Since SP 500 doesn't look too good, I don't see Shopify really going high for many following weeks. Anything around 5 to 10% gain will be decent. All right. So now this is today, July at 7 p.m., 7:10 p.m. All right. July 27, it's at $34.25. So basically, we had a 6% increase from 32 to 34, and from July 15 to July 28. All right, now 6%. How do we calculate this? Current price minus original price divided by original price. All right, that gives you a percentage. So this is how this is to prove the 6% increase. All right, and keep in mind that there's no bank. Banks won't give you 6% increase in your money, especially not in a matter of weeks. All right, matter of days or weeks. Now, okay, now I'm gonna explain to you guys why I thought about a price increase. All right. If you go over on, you open your browser, you type stockcharts.com, all right, and then you type Shopify, whatever stock that you're investigating. Now, I like to unscale the logarit scale option. I want to have my volume separated, and I want to see the chart over 1 year. All right. So when you do this, you have a clean, nice looking chart, and it's linear. It's not logarithmic scale chart, right? So what happened is that with technical trading, we focus on chart patterns. This is one of the most important aspects of it, all right, to decide to buy or to sell a particular stock. All right. So basically, explain the importance of chart patterns and why we choose Shopify. So basically, when I looked at it, since I have some kind of training, I saw an ascending triangle. All right, and if you type this ascending triangle, you will learn more about it. So here we have a support, and then we have a resistance, and it forms a ascending triangle. All right, and then on top of that, I had a breakout. All right, and the breakout took place close to mid-July, and on top of that, we had an increase in volume. So if understand what chart patterns are. All right, this is the definition. A chart pattern is a distinct formation of a stock chart that creates a trending signal or a sign of future price movements. Chartists use these patterns to identify current trends and trend reversal, and to trigger buy and sell signals. All right, so basically this is why we use chart patterns. All right, and in that case it was a buy signal. It broke the resistance at 32 and it had an increase in volume. All right, all this took place mid-July, so that's why I told my cousin about it. So why am I doing this? Why was I interested in stocks and in technical analysis? Of course, it's to increase my personal income, my wealth. All right, everybody wants to be wealthier, and my long-term goal is to help better the economy in Haiti. Now, why Haiti? Obviously, I'm from Port-au-Prince, Haiti. That's where I grew up. I was born and raised in Haiti. All right, so guys, this is it. All right, this is my 2 cents for the day. All right, I explained to you how to make money with the stock market following chart patterns. All right, if you're not familiar with technical trading, please connect with me. Leave your comments below this video. If you learn a few new things, just like, subscribe on my YouTube channel, because I'm gonna be doing this consistently now. All right. Okay. This is a think or swim platform. All right. It comes for free when you have TD Ameritrade. When you sign up with TD Ameritrade, it comes for free. All right. So basically, it is the same thing as Paint. It's just that it has more features, more options. It allows you to work more professionally and faster as well. So here you have the double bottom pattern. Basically, you can look it up on Google, and on top of that, I have my confirmation. It broke the confirmation, so I knew, but I wasn't looking at Shopify back then. All right, so but you can see how it confirmed the double bottom pattern. All right. And this was enough to tell you that a reversal was about to take place. All right, and so if I had seen this earlier, that would be my entry level, $23. All right, but I didn't see it. It doesn't matter. So it went up and it formed a double top, went down, and then finally drew a triangle, an ascending triangle pattern. So 32 in that case was the price, the entry level, and then I'm expecting it to stop or to sell it around $36. All right, my target price. So this is it, guys, basically. All right, so like I said, you can subscribe, you can like, you can comment or to this video if you learned something new. All right, and I hope that you learned something new. This is technical analysis, basically. All right, based on chart patterns, when to buy, when to sell. Like I said, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. All right, and every time also that I find nice trades, I'm gonna comment about them and make videos about them. All right, so guys, take care and have a wonderful day.